Hi, how are you? Yes, this is Jennifer from Wuhu Deli Foods. You can see this is our factory, the honey factory. We are a honey manufacturer for over 20 years, and for exporting, we also the professional. Yes, and
this is Yin. Hello, everyone.
Yeah. Yes, today Yin is the customer today. Yes.
I was Jennifer visit Deli Foods company factory and check the goods.
Yes, check the goods for which country?
Somalia.
Yes, for Somalia. Yes, for 400 gram honey. Yes. Okay, let's begin to visit our factory production and our raw material storehouse and also our laboratory.
Yes.
Yes. Today we will enjoy the honey, and I will lead you to taste many kinds of the honey we have, and you know we have many kinds of honey. Yes, maybe we cannot wait to taste the honey. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, you can see our factory is very clean and very big, right?
And many trees.
Yes, many trees, so many green. Yes, beside this one is our office building. And in Davis, you can see this is our factory.
Oh, yes.
Very big
Yes.
and very clean.
Yes.
And you know, this house is for what?
Your warehouse.
Yes, our raw material storehouse. Here can store many honey, many honey raw material. And behind this building is the bulk package. The bulk package workshop. Yeah, workshop. The bulk package workshop. And in the middle one, is the small package workshop. For the small package, and just now your goods is already here finished.
I will go there.
Yes. Besides the small package is our another raw materials storehouse.
Another?
Yes.
Two warehouse.
Yes, two. So we have so many honey because we are a big factory.
Yes.
Yeah. And this building is our office building. Yeah, also including some laboratory room and the fire room. Yes, and the sample can also be stored here. It's very big, right?
Yes, very
And
big.
very clean.
Yes, very clean, and the environment is very good.
The environment is very good.
Yes.
And our factory is also very professional.
Yes.
Welcome to our factory at any time, okay?
Okay.
Yes, welcome in Davis. This is our small package honey workshop.
This is my honey.
Yeah, this is a honey 400 gram. Today the honey filling is already finished, you know. Now just the packaging and print the label.
I have a question. Why we wear like a snow?
Yes, today we are all snowmen and the workers all snowmen. This is why, because this is the special time, and often we always to change our clothes to ensure the honey quality.
Also,
And
I think your factory's worker is very strict and wear mask and wear gloves is very good.
Yes, our company has our rules.
I want to check my goods.
Yes, you can see.
I see why we bring label like hands.
Yes, because this bottle is a little special. This is not square or just round.
Oh yeah.
It's like a triangle. It's not normal the bottle shape, so it should to printed by our workers by the hand.
And I have question why today not use the machine, just for a worker.
Yes, this is by our workers' hand.
Yes.
It's more precious.
How can we ensure the quality?
The quality?
Yes.
Yes, well, all of our honey can be traced. You know, the material can be all be traced. From which drum, from which bean farm, and from which city. It can also be traced. Later, I will show you the traced record. Yes, this is finished product. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is good. It's ready.
If I want to pay a new order, when can
you want a new order?
Yes.
Also for the 400 gram or other bottle?
Maybe 1 container, 2 container. How many days can shipping?
It's okay. We just can ship between within 7 to 10 working days. Can ship it.
And label design things.
Yeah, the label design. We have the professional design team. We can design any label you want.
Oh yes, very good.
It's free.
Oh,
Yeah, it's free. No charge. No any charges.
it's very nice.
Yes, this order ready. It's all ready. You can see the color. The color is good, right?
Yes, the color is good.
The moisture is also good.
Moisture.
Moisture is around 18. Yes.
This printing formula is very good.
Yes, it's very easy to use.
Yes, easy to use.
It's also very popular among the restaurant, hotel, and also supermarket. It's a very nice package. Yes, tomorrow I will send you the loading pictures for this goods. Tomorrow we are loading the container to Somalia, okay? Are you satisfied with the honey? Yes, it's very good, right?
Yes, it's very good. I think it's
Very good.
Yes.
Okay, next I will to introduce our raw material,
Okay.
the material storehouse, to show you how our honey can be ensured by the quality. Yes, okay. Yes, welcome. This is our package for the 400 gram.
Yes.
You can see the quality for the carton is very good, very strong.
It's very strong.
Yes. It's around 12 pieces in one carton. This is a small carton.
Yes,
You can see here it's about 12. Then put this. Okay, this is ready for the small carton. Then we need to put four pieces in one big carton. This is small carton. Then put 1, 2, 3, 4 in one big carton. Then it's ready. Okay, let's go on. Yes, in Davis, you know, this is our finished storehouse. Yeah, this is your goods.
Yes.
400 gram. This is ready. It's 4 small carton in this one big carton. You can see. Because it's a little heavy, so I just someone help us to put one here to show you.
I open it.
Okay.
Check my goods.
Yes.
quality.
Of course, you do this
Yes.
because this is your goods. You can see this is a big carton.
Yes,
The carton
cartons.
quality is also very good, very hard, very strong.
Yes, this carton is very strong.
Yes. We use the best carton for you, you know.
Thank you.
And here are 4 small cartons.
Yes.
Just now we shoe there. You can change. You can be careful.
Okay, thank you.
This way.
This package is very good.
The package is-
yes.
12 pieces in one small carton.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. Yes. Because we use the best cotton for you and use the best honey also for you.
Yes, your factory is very good.
We are professional, yes. Professional exporting honey. Yes, in Davis, this is our raw materials, the house.
Big house.
Yes. Do you smell?
Honey is sweet.
Yes, sweet honey, yes. Because this is honey house. I will show you our
So
some.
much honey store in
Yeah.
there.
I will show you many kinds of honey. Okay.
Oh, what is this?
You know what's this?
I don't know.
This is the sampling road.
Oh,
Yes, when customer come to our raw materials, the house, we will use this road because it's professional.
oh.
Yes, you can try.
Yes, I try it.
Yes. Okay. This is our Mia Mia Asa. This is seed honey, you know.
Sweet honey, I don't know.
Yeah, seed honey is very popular among the Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and Oman. These countries, some Middle East countries, very like this one.
So I want to taste it.
Okay, I will show you.
Yes, it's very heavy and very stiff.
Yes, it's really good. Wow,
Yes,
you can
it's
show the honey. This is really delicious.
Yes, natural honey.
Yeah,
Wow.
sweet, very sweet.
You can see this color is very dark color.
Maybe you can taste.
Okay, taste it.
Middle East country people like the seed honey very much.
Oh.
We export the seed honey for these countries every year and every month.
The sweet honey I think better than my polyflower honey.
Yes, seed honey is also
Yes,
good.
Maybe next time I will approach it for you.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good, really good.
And you have much stock in your warehouse.
Yes.
It's very good.
Many kinds of honey as you choose.
Yes.
If you want the linden honey, is also okay. Polyflower is also okay. Seed honey, chili honey, yes, it's also okay. And here, so many kinds of honey, and each drum can be traced from which bean farm and from which bean farm worker, from which area. All these can be traced.
Oh, yes.
Yes, we have record this. We do this to keep the honey quality and to keep the insurance for our customers because we are professional honey manufacturer. Yes, welcome in Davis. This is our reference fire room. You know, the fire room, all the honey record will be here. Yes, our each hum can be traced. This is the record and the files. This is for security and for the package record. And some production record. Yes, okay, we can all check here. And beside this one is the simple order we did before. This is so many customers. Yes. And many different packages like glass bottle and plastic jar. And 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram. Yes. And you can see this one.
Yes, this bottle same like my.
Yeah, same like your package.
Yeah.
400 grams.
There is a small one.
Yes, this is smaller. It's 300 grams. It's 400 and 200 grams.
Yes, maybe next time I will purchase this one.
It's good.
Yes.
Welcome to order more from us.
Yes. Oh, and this one is also very beautiful.
So this is also plastic package. It's 250 grams.
Yes.
For this one also have 400 grams. On the squeeze bottle, plastic squeeze bottle. It's also smaller.
Small is beautiful.
Yes. This is 30 grams. For the wedding, for the hotel, for the restaurant, it's good.
Oh yes, there is a special honey.
Yeah, this honey is a little special. This is white honey. So we have many kinds of package. You can choose which one you like. And from the glass bottle to the plus, all can choose.